Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree Marie. Hello, welcome. If you are new, welcome. Here on this channel I do all sorts of things. I talk about hair, locks, maintenance, natural hair. I do daily vlogs, and today I am going to be decluttering and clearing out my closet. Now behind me is an atrocity, guys. It is an atrocity. Don't judge me, okay? That's the whole purpose of making this video, is to take you guys along with me as I sort my messy closet and organize it. Now, I do live in New York, and the closets are never that big. So this is not a walk-in closet. This is a traditional small his and her closet. Not very much space, and I have a lot of stuff. So I have to make work with what I got, and so I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's go. You ready to see the atrocity? Okay, look at it. Like, off top I have all of these bags just thrown up top. It looks crazy, and I know that it is messing up the structure of some of these bags because I simply just toss it up top without any regard. Just toss it up top. Look at that. It's just a hot mess. I have the strings over here and whatnot. So that already needs to be sorted out. I do have a method. I hope that it works to keep these things organized and, you know, put together. But I do have things up there that I certainly do not wear and I need to throw out. So we're going to get to that soon. But I also have a lot of blazers and vests here that I need to organize and possibly declutter. I'm not sure if some of these things need to get thrown out or repurposed. I don't know, but we're going to figure that out together. And part 2 of this video will be the shoes, the mess of the, guys, y'all can't even see the shoes because there's just so much going on. I have another bag, few bags down here, bags covering all of the shoes. I have so many shoes, shoes there, and also shoes in here. Just a little sneak peek. These shoes. So in all, I have a lot of shoes to declutter and sort through and organize. So that will be in another video. But for now, we're going to tackle the jackets and the bags. I certainly need my glasses for this one. All right, so first we're going to start with these blazers. Here I'm wearing this top so that it will be easy for me to kind of try it on, see if I really want these things or not. Sometimes you have to try things on again, make sure it looks good on you, and if it doesn't, that's your final you know, say it or throw it away and whatnot. So let's just get started. Now I have doubled up on a lot of these things. I have 2 jackets on one because I need new hangers. I have a few more. Let me just get those. All right, I only got like 3 hangers, so we're gonna have to make it work somehow. But here I have this army fatigue jacket. It's very much for springtime. It's very thin and it's really easy to just throw on and go, so I'll definitely keep this. And then I have this this, what is it, suede or leather? I think it's, no, leather, sorry. Red jacket. No, it's not leather, it's suede. Oh my goodness, I need to learn my fabrics, don't I? And I always love this. I love how different it looks. It's just very different. It has some nice lace-up details. You got the closure, the tie closure, and so forth. So it's a different piece, and I love it. The only thing I don't so love about it is these little, like, it stains very easily no matter what you lean up on. So I have to send this to the dry cleaners one of these days just to keep it clean, but I'll definitely be keeping this. Here is a sporty vest, sporty gray vest, and well, it's a little bent out of shape because I had it all stuffed up in the closet. But this is what it looks like. It's all right. It's not my very favorite. However, I do feel like I might need it one of these days. I don't know. I don't know. Like, will I? Will I not? I don't know. It's not my favorite though. It really is not. What do you guys think? I guess I'll keep it for now. I might find use for it. I'm just gonna let you guys know a lot of these things I may keep because I did go through these things like only a few months ago. However, I might, you know, have a change of heart after looking at some of these things. This I'll definitely keep. I love this. It is a vintage styled boyfriend blazer. It's very long. It goes to my thighs and it's just so cool. It reminds me of, like, you know, 70s/80s. I don't think it has much of a shape, but I do love to wear it open, wear dresses with it, just mix it up with different pieces. I love that it's a nice splash of color. I love adding a splash of color, so this is like the perfect thing if I'm wearing something kind of, you know, flat and neutral. Here is a jacket from J. Crew. Got it from the thrift store. As you can see, lots of my wardrobe is from the thrift store. And here's how it fits. It has a nice fit. I like the color. It's neutral, so when I wear my braids, I can just throw this on and it complements very well. I like how it, you know, it fits me very, very well. So I'll definitely keep it. I haven't really put it to use as much as I probably should, but I'll keep it. It has potential. Here's a blazer that you guys have seen. I had this blazer in the coat closet by accident, but this is something that I love, love, love. I actually just recently purchased this. It has like this like nice faux leather strip on each arm, and the cut is pretty interesting as well. It doesn't have a button closure, but that's all right because I like to wear a lot of my stuff like open like this. I would like to wear this like, you know, with a crop top or something like that. Kind of, you know, jazz it up. I don't know. That looks kind of crazy. But I do like this blazer, so I'll definitely keep it. This is actually from H&M. I don't even think I spent $10 on this at the thrift store, so winning. Here's a blazer that I like as well. I recently wore this to one of my friends' birthday parties, celebrating her 30th birthday, and I loved how this added like a nice rich splash of color. I needed like a nice splash of color because I was wearing all black, and I'm not an all black type of person, so this was perfect, especially for the winter time when, you know, we kind of want to keep things rich toned. I love the buttons here, and buttons going all the way down are a plus. It fits me well, and the only thing I don't like is the arm length. Like, it doesn't go all the way down, so most times that I wear this I have to like roll it up. So that's kind of like how I wear it. Kind of sag it a little bit. I wear it like that instead of like this. But yeah, definitely keeping this. Wow, this is so old. I got this years ago and I still don't know how to wear it. It has these long like tassels in the front. I don't know how to wear it. It's a mystery. Like, I guess it's meant to be super long. Maybe you wear this over like, you know, a yoga outfit or something. I don't know, I guess. What do you guys think? This is something that my mom picked up for me from the thrift store. It is so nice. Look at this. I don't even know what animal that is. It looks like an animal. But I love the details. The details all throughout this entire, I never paid attention to that. This entire top jacket. It definitely looks very hippie. I'll keep that. Keep this. This is something that I was trying to sell for the longest on eBay when I first opened my eBay store, and nobody paid attention to it, and I always wondered why. Like, this thing is amazing. To me, it's amazing. Maybe other people don't have that, you know, that type of eye like I do, but I love this. So I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna put it in my wardrobe because nobody else is talking about it. I love this. It's so different. It's so unique. Obviously, I got this from the thrift store. It's so unique. Like, with this, you can wear like a nice mini skirt and some boots, or you could wear it with some nice long jeans and maybe a crop top or something. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. It looks great. It looks like a duster, almost like a duster. So yeah, nobody else wants it. I want it. I'm keeping it. All right, this is a white blazer that has turned yellow. Maybe with age, I don't know, but I'm definitely not keeping it like this. And I've tried my best to clean it. Doesn't work. It's from Forever 21. The shape, it's not very well shaped. It still looks a little baggy. It's not very flattering to me. It makes me look flat chested. Now I already know I don't have all of that up there. But it, you know, it's not flattering, so I'm definitely gonna toss this. Here is a denim jacket. Let me see how it fits. This is not flattering, however, it does have a great design. Is it flattering? I mean, it's alright. It's alright, but it is a little big up here. So I may not wear this. No, I'll definitely not wear it because it just makes me look a little bit clumsy in the arms. It's just, it doesn't fit. It's too big, way too big. My mom actually gave me this. It is a size large. I'm not a large. I'm more of a small medium. So I'm going to, I'm not going to throw this away. I am going to use this as fabric because I may need a little, you know, some kind of jean fabric for a DIY project. So I'm going to keep that, toss it on the bed. Ooh la la. Here is a vest that I love very, very much. Definitely keeping this. This was found at a thrift store in Brooklyn, New York. Ooh. And I absolutely love it. Wait. Oh, okay, it has to be folded. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so warm. I love the pockets on the side there. Nice deep pockets. Definitely keeping it. I got this from the outlet in Pennsylvania, a store named Sassy Girl. I talked about it in my last video. I have another beautiful spring dress from the same store. So if you didn't see that video, definitely do check that out. But this I also got from there. And I love that store. They're not there anymore, like I had mentioned in the last one. But they had the most unique pieces. Now this is like a, kind of like a jacket. Like, you can also make it into a dress. It's just very multi-purpose. The way that I'm wearing it right now obviously is not the right way. However, I love it. Another jacket. I took this from my little sister because she doesn't really wear these type of things. So I said, you know what, I'll take it. It's all right, I'll take it. This is so cute, so cute, so cute. The arms are a little bit short, so I do have to go ahead and roll up the sleeves a little bit. But other than that, it is very, very cute. I love anything snazzy like this, like something that I can wear with anything, really. I love that, you know, this is a nice different, you know, pattern going on. And then I can wear this with like a crop top and a skirt, knee-length, you know, knee-high boots and stuff. You can mix it up that way. So this was from a thrift store. It's made from Jason Prescott, and I love it. So I'm definitely going to keep it. Here is something that I have not worn one time since I got it. It is from Savers, a thrift store out here in New York. Got it for only $8.99. And I mean, I like the patterns. That's the only reason why I'm keeping on to it. The pattern. I am missing a big button here. One of my favorite blazers. This is also thrifted. All of my blazers really are thrifted. I love this. This is made of wool. A nice tie waist. Beautiful, you know, details. I love the prints. One of my favorite blazers of all time. And I also like this one here, another thrifted item. It has like this jeans detail here that makes it really easy for me to pair it with jeans. Yeah, it's very nice, classic. It makes me think of like a golfer or something. It looks like a golfing type of blazer. I don't know, a blazer that they'd wear like going golfing. Do they wear blazers going golfing? I don't know. All right, so this is the last piece that I'm going to show you before I just start fixing up and organizing the closet. But this is one of my favorite blazers. I have not worn it one time, but it is a favorite. It looks like a horse riding blazer. And it is very long, reaching down to my mid-thighs. And I love it. I mean, I love the buttons. The buttons look very quirky and fun. You know, it's velvet fabric, and you have the velvet fabric up here, the velvet fabric up here, and you have the buttons in the back here. I love it. I really do. I have not gotten to wear it one time yet. I just need to kind of like plan this one out. Whew, that scared me. I have to plan out how to wear this because it is a very special piece, and I feel like for these, like, you can't just throw on anything. You have to, you know, fix it up. All right, guys, so I'm going to put these things on hangers and put them in the closet, and then we're going to get up to the bags.